Merry Christmas. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas.
Mine is like Merry Christmas. Again.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Merry Christmas.
Hi guys! We will be doing a what we got for Christmas video. Ito yung first time ko na mag-Christmas dito sa Australia, kaya merong mga gifts. Kasi last year wala masyado kasi nga hindi kami nag-spend ng Christmas dito. And usually we don't get gifts for each other, but because we're here and we're celebrating Christmas here, we're not overseas. That's why we decided to gift each other Christmas gifts.
Start off with our presents we got each other.
Oh, okay. We already have a video. I think the video is yesterday, guys, of us opening presents for each other. So, I'm gonna start with what he got me. Nakita nyo na siguro yung video kung napanood nyo yung vlog. But he got me the 6 keyring. I'm not sure if that's exactly what it's called. Pero from Mr. Louie. I know. Wala na pala tong laman. Ano, nilagyan na namin siya ng keys. So, I got the Demir Ibin na print. Gusto ko to kasi
Same as the bag.
yeah, same print ng bag ko. Tapos gusto ko din siya kasi brown yung interior. Hindi gaya nung, I think yung monogram, ano siya, parang maroon yung loob. So gusto ko to. And nilagay na namin yung keys. So I have my PO box, house key, and then the car keys. Yan. Yan lang guys, and I'm so happy. Kasi plano ko talaga to bilhin kapag may car na. Eh wala pa akong car, hindi ko in-expect na bibilhan niya ako. So it was a surprise and he did really well. So thank you so much, Mom.
No, that's alright. My turn? Okay, you already seen this one. I got this about a couple of weeks ago, but it was part of my Christmas present. So I got my Ray-Bans.
Yeah,
Very
it's
cool.
really nice.
I'm an aviator. And this was a good surprise Ray's got me. It's my first smartwatch. It's really nice and a little bit fancy as well. It's Fossil.
Yep.
So it's a little bit too big, so we have to get that fixed, but I love it. It's an awesome present. So
yeah.
Maybe next week or this weekend we'll get it sorted.
Yeah, it's really cool. We
Yeah,
need to
really cool.
work out how to use it though. Hindi pa namin siya na try, pero yeah, I know he will love that kasi mahilig siya sa mga watch. Talaga nagko-collect talaga siya ng mga watch. And the sunnies, he actually really needed. Kasi summer na guys, and yung sunnies na meron siya, sira na. So sabi ko, sige, yan na lang, Christmas present. Pero nabili ko na to before pa namin, or before pa niya sinabi na gusto niya ng sunnies for Christmas.
Exactly, right.
Ito, I got this little present from work, guys. So, kasama ko sa team. Very nice and thoughtful of her. And this is from my workmate and yung dog niya. So, did you eat the chocolate
No,
here already?
I wanted to, but I haven't.
It's just in a little, like, bag. You did.
I did
What's
not.
that?
I did not eat anything.
It's a nut.
Oh, it's
It's a
not.
loose nut.
Okay.
Anyway, yung laman guys, ngayon ko lang to nakita actually. Yan. And then, Turtle chocolate. And then, ano to, babe? What's this?
A bell. That? Do you know what this is?
No.
You see this string?
A bell.
And then you just pull.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we do it? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Oh!
Mine didn't work.
Oh, no.
Yours
Oh,
worked.
cool. Nakuha ba yun sa camera, babe? I think I was doing this here. Oh, that's
You never seen that
cool.
before?
No.
No. Okay.
Yeah, I like that. We can do this for New Year's.
Yeah, do it at Tony's house. He'll love it. Crap everywhere.
I'll clean up.
I got 2 work presents.
Oh, you got 2 work presents?
I got the gift card as well, but
Oh, yeah, me too. I know that's not a work present. I won that.
yeah, I got a gift card, $100, but also I got a mug and I had chocolates in it. The chocolates didn't last, but the mug.
Inubos na niya yung chocolate. Almond coated chocolate, guys.
Really, really good.
Gusto ko yung almond coated na chocolate, diba? Kaya lang hindi ko siya nauubos agad-agad. Sabi ko, iwan mo nila lang dyan sa fridge. Kakainin ko yan. Like, I'll take my time. Inubos niya.
It lasted a week.
No, not a week.
They did, a week.
The mug maybe lasted a week in the fridge, but
the chocolates lasted over a week.
Tapos yung nakain ko siguro 2 lang. Inubos na niya lahat. But that's a really nice mug actually. Meron siya nakalagay Higgs
Best chocolates in the world, Hags.
Sabi ni Dan, it's the best chocolate in the world daw. So ganito siya guys pagka-pack. Tapos meron siyang bow. It's actually really cute. Okay, this is from work. Ito yung mga pinamigay nila sa aming Charlesworth na parang goodie bag. So, it has... Actually, na-open ko na to kasi that day na pinamigay nila to, guys. Sobrang gutom na gutom ako. Tapos wala akong snack na dala. So, na-open ko na to. And nakain ko na yung parang isang pack dito sa loob. Pero yeah, it has my name here. Rhazel.
These are good.
Yeah.
Delicious.
So, it comes with...
Peanut clusters they're called.
Peanut cluster?
Yeah, chocolate and peanuts. Just
Yan.
little cookies. Delicious.
And then...
They're honeycomb. They'll be honeycomb.
Honeycomb?
Yeah.
Wow. Sweet. Okay ka, ha? And nuts. Oh!
Cashews.
These are for you. Like,
All for me. This is my sort of basket.
favorite niya to yung cashews. Yun lang. That's nice. Oh, here. Yeah. Every year, meron kaming regalo galing sa papa at saka sa stepmom niya. And this year, ito yun, guys. So, every year, we know na it's perfume. Yung tawag niya dito sa perfume is aftershave. Yung tawag nila dito.
I got Izumiyaki. One of my favorites.
Yeah, he requested for this actually.
Yeah, I like this stuff.
Sinabi niya sa papa niya, nung nagkita kami before nung Pasko, sinabi niya sa papa niya, di ba, regalo niyo sa amin perfume, yung iregalo niyo Izumiyaki. So, yun. And I think this is Izumiyaki as well, kasi yung niya, kambal niya, inopen na niya yun sa kanya, and nakita ko. So, ito, Izumiyaki. Na, pangbabae naman. Yan. Yung itsura, guys.
Have a
Let's
smell.
open it. Yeah.
Big
Tingnan
bottles.
natin. I know, good size bottles.
Yeah.
Ito actually yung gift ni Dan kay Mark. Kasi nga, isa to sa mga paborito niya talaga. Di ba na-Kris Kringle kami kasama ang mga Indies? At saka yung mga asawa? Oh, that smells good. That smells really fresh. Yeah, ang bango niyan. And then yung pambabae naman ito. Yan. Amoyin natin. Hindi ko pa ito naamoy eh. Nice.
That's alright.
Yeah. No, that smells good.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Kath.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Oh, he'll be watching
He'll be
this.
watching.
Thank you, Daddy. From work din siya. Meron kaming advent calendar sa work. So, ako ata yung pangalawa sa like second day sa advent calendar. And because hindi ako umiinom, and alam nila hindi ako umiinom. Kasi yung iba, alcohol yung nakuha nila. Now, I got this. Ito yung nakuha ko sa advent calendar namin. It's a journal. So, pwede ko ilagay dito ang mga plano ko sa buhay kung meron naman akong plano. Yan. So cute. Thanks, guys. From work, again, meron kaming Kris Kringle. So, ito separate siya sa advent calendar. Ito yung natanggap ko, guys. Meron kaming wishlist. So, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano ilalagay ko sa wishlist. Tinulungan ako dito. Sabi niya, maglagay ka Moscato. And Moscato, mura lang kasi siya. So, I got 2 bottles of Moscato. This is the Brown Brothers. This one is the Rose, Moscato Rosé, yan. And then, the other one is just the plain Moscato. So, yan. Thank you so much. Secret Santa. Hindi ko alam.
Do you know who it was?
No. Yeah. I didn't ask. But yeah, that's that. Yung Kris Kringle sa Christmas party. Kasama namin yung boys at saka girls. So, you can start.
Which one? Your friend's one?
Yeah,
or...
the friends.
Okay.
Nakita nyo na to sa vlog kung napanood nyo yung Christmas party vlog namin. But, yeah. Ito
Yes.
yung na-receive ni Dan from Tony.
From Tony, I've got a Port Power pillow.
Thanks, Tony.
And a lunchbox for school. So, thank you, Tony. I like it. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, of course. Sobrang gusto ko. Ang dali lang niya bilhan ng mga gift kasi Port Power, anything Port Power.
Anything Port Power.
Yeah.
Makes me happy.
And yung natanggap ko, galing to kay Love, guys. Again, nakita nyo na to. But yeah, ang cute niya. Ilalagay ko to, i-display ko to. And then, she also gave me this. Someone actually messaged me on Instagram, said na it's a salt lamp. So yun, salt lamp siya, guys. And nilagay ko to dito sa buffet cabinet namin. Last na yung sa Family Kris Kringle, ipakita ko muna to.
What are they? This is family Kris Kringle?
No, not yet. These are the gifts from the Indies. So, si Kath, binigyan niya kami ng ganito, iba-ibang variant. Yung natanggap ko is the almond milk and honey. So, it's a set that comes with a shower cream. These are always handy, especially kapag nagta-travel ka kasi maliliit lang sila. I love the Body Shop body butters. As in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung body butters nila. Especially the strawberry. Yum. This is the body butter na almond milk and honey. And then last one, I love hand creams as well. So, always handy sa akin yung hand creams. Especially mga ganito kaliliit. Same, parang variant. Almond milk and honey. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung amoy nito. Ooh.
That smells good.
Yes, smells really good. Okay, lovely guys. YSL. Meron siyang mascara at saka lipstick. Ang cute ng packaging, oh. Ang social nito. Sobrang social. Hindi ko pa inopen yung mascara kasi ayoko na mag-dry ba. But ang social ng packaging and then the lipstick looks like this. It's a tiny one. Perfect. Ang ganda din. Ang very luxurious packaging.
Nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. And then, this is from Lyra. Thank you, Dai. She gave us a set, or, no, us, the girls.
Okay.
Stila, Kiss Me, Stila na guys, parang siya, yung liquid lipstick na set. This is the Stay All Day na liquid lipstick. My favorite formula ng liquid lipstick. Sobrang ganda nito. And wala ako nitong mga shades na to. And then, meron pang Too Faced na Better Than Sex mascara. It's better than sex.
Probably.
And then, ito yung sabon. You're So Nice. It's a luxurious body soap. Vanilla cream. And then, last one.
Thanks, Lara. Something for the shower now.
You can have it, yeah.
Yep.
And then, last one is the Mario Badescu na guys, yung facial spray. Ito yung favorite ko. Aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is so good. Ang bilis lang. Ganun. The Isimiyaki smells really good, babe.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay, now last is Family Kris Kringle. So, we did that yesterday, 26. Yun yung nila sa family niya. Boxing Day yung nila. So, you go.
Okay, first?
Yes.
Okay. This is from my brother-in-law.
Yes.
And
yung asawa ng kambal niya.
I didn't tell him what to get me. I gave him a couple ideas. I said anything Port Power, anything tech, anything tech is cool, and anything Donald Trump because I'm a Donald Trump fan and some of your subscribers hate that, but I am a Donald Trump fan. So
They hate it. Someone actually said, I can't believe
he's a Donald Trump fan. But anyway, the first present he got me, this was a bit of a surprise because we had a good laugh at this. We got a Google Home Mini, which is pretty funny because all of Rhaze's friends have these now.
Yeah, meron si Lai, meron si Kat, meron si Lovely.
Yeah.
Chona na lang. I don't think Chona has this.
Alright, we'll re-gift it to China. Nah, we won't. No, this is cool.
Kasi lahat meron. Yung kambal niya, aunt has this at their house.
They have this in every room.
Every room, meron silang ganito. Yung main na, like, malaking Google
The lights are all done to it, everything.
Yeah.
Our house is all
very techy yung niya.
They're very techy.
Yung asawa ng kambal niya.
And these are a couple other little things my Kris Kringle got me. One is Shit Trump Says and like a Where is Trump book. So thank you very much. I love these.
Really?
I do, I love them.
You can just, you know that you can just look it up online, right? You don't actually need like an actual book. Like, open it up because I did and...
I've had a very good brain and I've said a lot of things. I am not a politician.
Okay, stop with the Trump now. I'm good.
I like kids. I mean, I won't do anything to take care of them. I'll supply funds. I shall take care of the kids. I can't read, so we'll delete this section out.
I was like, what the heck? That's different from what you're saying. Okay, that's it. Now, yung Kris Kringle ko, Pete got me. Is that correct?
Yeah, Pete
Was
got
it
you.
Pete? Where's mine?
Is it in the room?
No, it's not in the room. It's somewhere here. I think there. Meron din kaming wish list sa Family Kris Kringle and I asked for this. Yung
Sort of.
guys. No, I did. I actually did. He gave me the same exact one.
It's a fan and a spray bottle. It's 41 degrees today.
Yeah. Not inside the house. Abay, grabe ka! So, nag-spray siya ng water, tapos meron pa siyang fan. It's actually really cool.
It's bloody good.
But it's just so freaking big. Like, ang laki niya. Ganun ka dun. Yeah, anyway, I asked for this, and I got this. It's a power bank. Meron siyang 15,000 mAh yen. Pero ano to, I think this specific one, hindi siya bago. Kasi pag open ko sa kanya, may mga scratches. So we will return this and maybe replace it with something like, yeah, hindi ko alam. Pero yes, kasi nahanap nila yung receipt eh. Tinext namin sila as soon as we got home. Anyway, yun na guys. Sobrang thank you sa mga nag-gift sa amin ng mga to. Thank you, family and friends. Thank you so much. That is it for this video, guys. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Let us know below kung ano yung favorite present na natanggap nyo sa Christmas. Did you understand that?
Yeah, my favorite present is a watch.
Aww.
It's really cool.
Yeah. My favorite present is this, my love.
Oh, better be
The
right.
Moscato! Just kidding. Thank you, babe.
That's alright.
Mwah. That is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Be good. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Mwah. Okay.
Bye, guys.